Welcome to Everythingstangs, and today we're going to be changing the oil on my 2012 Mustang GT. I'm going to be using Mobile 1 full synthetic.
Alright, I'm going to start off by draining this oil pan right here. The bowl is located right here. I'm going to try to catch as much as I can into this pan, but don't take my word for it, alright? Honestly, I might just let it fall in the pan, dude.
Alright, so you're not fast?
No, it's the fucking oil.
You don't like hot oil, man?
It's coming out, but the bullet isn't coming out.
Yeah, you can drop it. Move your hand, though. You're going to burn your hand.
Oh, fuck. The oil's not that hot.
Really?
No.
There, you try being fast, boy. Come on, fast boy, fast boy. Show your hands. So right now we're taking off the cover to get to the oil filter.
2 8mm bolts is all you need to take out. It's not too hard.
Alright, and then to take off the oil filter, drop this cover down here. So right there, should be hand tight. We'll see. Alright, let's see if we can get this filter without me. You got it. This fish isn't. Turn it left, bro. Wow, this is not hand tight, buddy.
No. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you made a mess. Alright, so we just took out the oil.
Doesn't look like there's any metal shavings in here based off of what I see. I mean, it's kind of black, but it's expected after waiting like 7,000 miles to change it.
Every time you do an oil change, always check for metal. Especially on Coyotes, they blow fast.
Alright, we're gonna empty out the catch can now. If I can take it off.
Hot?
Oh, fuck. Hold on. Just make it easier.
Yeah, just set it over the drain.
Holy shit.
You want me to do it, man?
Hold on.
Big manly man?
Oh, fucking might be doing it the wrong way.
Wow, imagine.
Alright, let's see how much this thing caught.
Oil flyby.
If it starts overflowing on my hand. Oh, it's not that bad.
How much?
It's about halfway full. Some nasty ass shit right there, though.
And that's oil that goes into the intake, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
What case? That's not a case.
The little white thing, man.
That's a fucking oil filter.
Fuck you, man.
Don't do that. That shit is still leaking. Huh? Fuck.
Think it's just excess or what?
Yeah. Honestly, could use.
Alright, so now we're gonna be filling it up with the oil after we got everything done on the underside to lowered it.
Just quart's almost done.
Oh, you're getting a little risky there, buckaroo.
Look at that. Gary set.
Alright, man, it's good.
So that's how y'all be feeling for fucking nicotine, man.
Hey, man, you can't make nicotine jokes, okay?
Where's my neck?
Pass the jewel.
Look at the instructions on this piece of shit say, man.
Hey, you know what you do? You open it and you fucking squirt it in there.
I don't know about that.
Shit, man, it has a Mustang on there. Hold on. You don't see that, man? There's a Mustang on there.
Shit, man.
I need to go straight in.
Love it, man.
You just shoot it. Ever had a girl squirt on you, man? Just shoot that bitch. Alright, so we just got done doing an oil change on this Mustang. Just cleaning up. I'm gonna move my Mustang.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed.
And stay tuned. Very soon we're going to be swapping this transmission. Thank you. You guys have a great one.